Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a new wallet in Bither. First of all, find and open Bither application on your device. After that, click on the plus icon, which is at the bottom left corner of your screen. Now, you can see Others tab at the top of your screen. Click on it. Here, you will find Generate Normal Private Keys button. Click on it and select how many private keys to generate. After selecting the amount, you can click on Generate button and you will need to type in the password for your wallet. After typing your password, click on OK button. After that, you can see that you have generated one private key. Now click on OK button. So that is how you can create a wallet in Bither application. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.